Alright guys, welcome back to another stream. Hope you guys are all doing well. Man, we have a fair few things to talk about for today. Okay, a lot of things are in fact happening right now for crypto. Okay, Bitcoin seems like, soon enough Bitcoin will be reaching $100,000. Okay, soon enough at any moment, guys. Literally at any given moment, we're gonna see Bitcoin reaching 100K. And not just that, guys. I want to really, talk about XRP today because man, XRP has been pumping today. XRP is still continuing to pump today. So I really want to talk about XRP. Okay, so let's begin with today's stream because, like I said, there is in fact a fair few things I want to talk about. There is in fact a fair few charts that I do want to show you guys for Bitcoin. Okay, and then we'll talk about XRP because there is a lot to talk about for XRP. Since XRP is absolutely skyrocketing today, there is in fact a fair few things that I want to talk about and mention about XRP. So before we talk about XRP, I want to go ahead and talk about Bitcoin. Okay, so let's go ahead and begin. Bitcoin right now, guys. Okay, looking pretty good right now for Bitcoin. Okay, much better than yesterday, right? I feel like for the past few days, Bitcoin. Okay, we've been seeing it at about around $96,000. Okay, and 2 days ago we saw Bitcoin. Okay, around or a couple of days ago actually, we saw it at about $98,500. Okay, almost back up to 99K, right? But yeah, today, Bitcoin is looking much better than where it was yesterday, $97,500. So it's still looking pretty good right now for Bitcoin. Okay. And, at any moment, right? At any given moment, we're going to see Bitcoin breaching back up to $99,000. And of course, back up to its previous highs of $99,800. I can't believe, guys, that we actually saw Bitcoin going as high as $99,800. And it was so close, like so close to reaching 100K, but we didn't see Bitcoin even touching and reaching $100,000. Okay, Bitcoin at the time was literally teasing us, guys. Okay, it really, really was. But I really do believe, okay, that this time around, okay, with this V-shaped recovery, you guys can clearly see, Bitcoin dropped and now it's having a V-shaped recovery. Okay, I really do believe that this time around we're gonna actually see Bitcoin breaking $100,000 and higher. Okay, so for all my Bitcoin holders out there, get ready for that because it's about to happen. Okay, now the crypto market today looking pretty good, right? Overall, the market today is up over 3%. Look at this global crypto market cap now sitting at 3.48 trillion, almost at 3.5 trillion, guys. It's been quite some time since we have seen the crypto global crypto market cap at 3.48 trillion, almost 3.5 trillion. It's been quite some time, right? So this is amazing to see. Okay, very, very bullish. Okay, you guys clearly see past 24 hours, Bitcoin is up slightly over 1%, Ethereum's up over 2%. And look at XRP today, right? XRP is up a whopping 28%, now currently at $2.40 as I am streaming this video right now. Okay, so XRP, okay, is now in the top three, by the way, guys. Right, earlier this morning, okay, a couple of hours ago, it flipped Solana, and now just recently, about 1 hour ago, it flipped, okay, USDT, right, Tether, okay, which is a stable coin. It flipped it, and now, okay, XRP is now back at the OG spot, okay, in the top three, right? So you guys clearly see the market cap, okay, is clearly, reclaiming its spot, right, from Solana to Tether, and now XRP is now in the top three, guys. So this is obviously, amazing to see for XRP. I know a lot of you guys are in fact, XRP holders. You guys are in fact XRP armies. And I just want to say, congratulations to all of you guys, right, that are in fact holding XRP, right? Because this is the moment that we all in fact have been waiting for, right? It's been a few years now, the longest time, right? Ever since like 2018, since we have seen XRP pumping and moving this much. And of course, guys, back in the time, right, back in like 2018 and whatnot, we had that lawsuit, okay? Ripple had a lawsuit with the SEC, okay? And obviously just recently, last year, 2023, it was official that Ripple, okay, did in fact win that lawsuit, okay? And now Ripple and XRP are free, right? And of course, just recently, okay, Gary Gensler is no longer going to be the SEC's chairman, right? So we know, I already talked about this a couple of weeks ago, that Gary Gensler, okay, is officially resigning as the SEC's chairman. So he's leaving, okay? And we know how much Gary Gensler dislikes XRP and just crypto in general, right? He has said many times that XRP is a security when it's really not, right? So everything is looking bright for XRP and Ripple, right? It really, really is. And this is why, guys, we aren't facing XRP pumping this much for the past few weeks, even, right? Just today, okay? You guys can clearly see, okay, XRP is up over 70% for the past week, 73%. And look at this, for the past month, it's up almost 400%, guys. Okay, and I told you guys many times, once Ripple wins, okay, this lawsuit against the SEC, we're going to see XRP pumping. Okay, and it's even better now because Gary Gensler is no longer, okay, going to be the SEC's chairman. Okay, so this is obviously, you know, very, very bullish for XRP. Okay, so XRP is now free. Okay, it's doing its own thing, and you guys can clearly see so far, it's amazing to see that for XRP. You know, we haven't seen a move like this for XRP ever since, like, I want to say 2018. It's been years, guys. Okay, so this is obviously, you know, very, very bullish for XRP. Okay, and we'll talk more about XRP later on in today's stream. Like I said, I really want to talk about Bitcoin first. But yeah, you know, a lot of alts are moving today, right? It's not just XRP, okay? Dogecoin today is up 9%, Cardano today is up 11%, Avalanche today 5%, Shiba Inu today 9%. XLM, Stellar, is still continuing to move. We know this altcoin has been moving like crazy. Look, almost 500% for the past month for Stellar, which is insane, okay? Polkadot is moving today, okay, over 7%. Bitcoin Cash, okay, 7%. Chainlink, 5%. Look at HBAR today. HBAR today is absolutely moving today, 46%, guys. Look at Litecoin, right? Let's talk about Litecoin real quick. You know, Litecoin for the past, you know, few weeks, few months has not really been moving, right? But today it is up 23%. Great to see for Litecoin. Okay, Litecoin today is looking absolutely amazing. Okay, ICP 11%. So a fair few alts, guys, right, for the past 24 hours are moving. Okay, you guys can just clearly see a fair few greens, okay, for the past 24 hours for altcoins, including Bitcoin. So today overall, the crypto market is looking pretty good, right? It really, really is. Now, look at this. The Friend Greed Index sitting at 80 right now, of course, in extreme greed, right? Yesterday was at 81. Last week was at 82. So, obviously, you know, this is very, very bullish. Now, Bitcoin monthly returns. We know right now it is a new month. It is December, guys, okay? So, last month, okay, was amazing. Okay, we saw Bitcoin up almost 40% in November. Okay, and that was fantastic, guys. Okay, November was a fantastic month for Bitcoin and altcoins, right? And of course, we had the US election, and obviously, right after the US election, we saw Bitcoin reaching new all-time highs. Like, it was nothing, right? It went from like $74,000 all the way to like $99,000 in like 2 weeks time span, which was insane, guys. Okay, I could not keep up. I'm pretty sure you guys could not keep up with Bitcoin reaching a new all-time high. I felt like, you know, at the time when we had the US election that week alone, you know, Bitcoin was literally reaching new all-time highs like every day. Every single day, Bitcoin was reaching a new high, right? And I felt like, you know, Bitcoin just skipped through $80,000, you know, those 80K levels like it was nothing, right? It was insane, guys. Like, Bitcoin was moving. So yeah, last month, November, was fantastic for Bitcoin. Now it's December, and I told you guys many times that this month will be an amazing month for Bitcoin as well. We have the Santa rally. It's going to be Christmas time, and then it's going to be the New Year's, right? And remember, guys, okay, we are in fact in Q4, okay? And of course, we are in fact in the next cycle, the next bull cycle, okay? We are in fact in a bull run. So understand this month, December, is going to be amazing. We could see another 20% pump, okay? Maybe even another 30% pump for Bitcoin this month. Either way, okay, we're going to see Bitcoin reaching $100,000. As I told you guys many, many times, I do personally see Bitcoin reaching 100K towards the end of this year of 2024, before the year 2025. Okay, so understand, soon enough, okay, we're going to see Bitcoin reaching 100K. before 2025. It's going to happen sometime this month, guys. At any moment, okay, we're going to see Bitcoin reaching 100K. And there is, in fact, a fair few charts that I want to show you guys indicating and showing us that soon enough, we're going to see Bitcoin reaching $100,000. What app do you use to buy your crypto? I currently use CoinSpot. I love Bitcoin and XRP plus SHIB. I do too. Okay, I do too. I love Bitcoin more. Okay, as I told you guys many times. Okay, I'm going to be transparent with you guys. Okay, I'm not a huge fan of XRP. Okay, I'm not a huge fan of XRP. Okay, I just see XRP as, you know, an opportunity to trade. I don't hold an XRP. As you guys know, about 2 weeks ago, okay, I want to say, yeah, like two to 3 weeks ago, I actually sold, right? I think it was around like almost 2 weeks ago. Yeah, I actually sold my XRP to buy more Bitcoin. Okay, I sold a large amount of my XRP, okay, my holdings, okay, that I've been holding ever since last cycle. I sold it, okay, when I saw XRP first moving up to the upside, okay, and I put it into Bitcoin. Do I regret doing that right now? Okay, do I have that regret? Honestly, I don't, because at the time when I did it, Bitcoin was much cheaper. It was like lower. It was around like $92,000 to $93,000, and now it's at $97,000. So honestly, I don't regret doing that, right? Obviously, I would have made bigger gains with XRP, okay? But understand, guys, I still have a bag of XRP, okay? So I'm not holding XRP for long term, and you guys may think that's a bad decision, right? But personally, I am not holding XRP for long term, okay? If I'm holding anything for long term, it's going to be like Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? I'm really am a basic person, guys, okay? All these other altcoins, I am simply just trading it, okay? Obviously, when I'm taking my profits, I'll just be reinvesting it into like Bitcoin and Ethereum, especially Bitcoin, right? So understand, okay, that's just my plan, right? That's just personally how I do it. And I know a lot of, you know, people out there, that's mainly how they do it as well, guys, right? You don't want to be married to these altcoins, okay? That's what I want you guys to understand. Okay, even though, yes, I do hold Ethereum for long term, but personally, I do believe Ethereum is a great long-term investment, right? But of course, my biggest holdings and the ones that I really want to hold the longest is, of course, Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is not going anywhere, right? It's here to stay for as long as it possibly can, okay? So I am simply just trading XRP, guys, okay? I'm not holding XRP for like the next 10 years, okay? I'm really not, guys, right? So that is that, okay? You don't want to be married to these altcoins, right? Now, look at this, guys. I already talked about this in my most previous video, okay? But you guys can clearly see right here, okay? This is coming from Mark Russell. He posted this on X just yesterday. And it's showing us here 60 public companies can issue equity to buy Bitcoin, okay? So you guys can clearly see, right? These are just some of the companies that pretty much own and hold Bitcoin, right? And can issue equity to buy Bitcoin, right? So this is amazing to see. And obviously, MicroStrategy is the largest company out there that holds the most Bitcoin. They currently hold over 386,700 Bitcoins, almost 400,000 Bitcoins, guys, which is insane to think about, right? So these are just some of the companies that are in fact, you know, holding Bitcoin as of right now. Okay, this is a fair few of them, okay? And understand, guys, as I've told you guys many times, you know, once we see Bitcoin reaching $100,000 and beyond, okay, once Bitcoin is in the six figs, we're going to see more companies wanting a piece of Bitcoin. Okay, we are already seeing that. Okay, a lot of companies out there, they want a piece of Bitcoin, right? Institutions, they want a piece of Bitcoin, right? Countries, right? We know, okay, a lot of different countries out there are now starting to look into Bitcoin. And I'm here to tell you guys right now, once we see Bitcoin breaking $100,000, okay, and of course in the six figs, right? So 200K to 300K, trust me, a lot of these companies, they want a piece of Bitcoin. A lot of different countries out there, they want a piece of Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin is becoming mainstream, right? It's becoming like a global thing, okay? It really is, guys, right? So understand, Bitcoin is the future in general, okay? It really is. A lot of people out there, a lot of companies, countries, right, are now realizing where Bitcoin is heading long term and, of course, in the future, right? So this is changing everything, okay? It really is, guys. Now, getting into the Bitcoin charts, starting off with this one, okay? The Bitcoin 4-year cycle. We know, guys, okay, we can clearly see a cycle happening. Okay, history is repeating. It does rhyme. Okay, so understand every 4 years we have the Bitcoin halving event, and every single time, okay, we have the Bitcoin halving event. Right after it, what happens with the halving event? We see a bull run occur. Okay, it doesn't happen straight away. Okay, it takes time. Okay, it takes a few months' time, and you'll clearly see in previous years and previous halving events. Okay, we didn't see Bitcoin pumping straight away right after a halving event. Okay, it takes time. Okay, it takes about a few months' time, and then it pumps. Okay, so that's exactly what's happening right now, and we know Bitcoin just recently reached a new high, and soon enough, yeah, it's gonna go much, much higher, right? So trust the 4-year cycle, guys. Okay, once you understand the 4-year cycle, okay, you will not be worried when we enter the next, bear market, right? Which will be most likely in 2026, right? So trust the 4-year cycle, guys. Okay, and from here on, okay, we already went through, the bad times, right? The bear market, and now we're about to enter, the next cycle, and we're already in it, right? And soon enough, right, we're gonna see Bitcoin skyrocketing. Okay, it has already skyrocketed to new highs, but it's about to pump even more. And of course, alt season, as I told you guys many times, okay, alt season is right around the corner. So please be prepared for alt season, right? Now, the next target short term for Bitcoin, okay, is around $110,000, right? $110,000. So this is the Fibonacci retracement levels, and you guys can clearly see the target is going to be at around $110,000 for Bitcoin. So once we see Bitcoin reaching 100K, it's just going to moonshot to like $110,000, and from there on, it's obviously going to go much, much higher. And of course, guys, when we are in fact in a bull run, we're going to see corrections. Okay, Bitcoin is not just going to pump straight up, right, all the way to like 150, 180 to 200K, right? Along the way, when it does do that, we're going to see corrections. Okay, and corrections are healthy, guys. Understand that, and it's completely normal, right? So understand, guys, the next target is $110,000 for Bitcoin once it reaches pretty much 100K. So get ready for that. Now, yes, okay, you can clearly see this bull flag that is in fact forming right now for Bitcoin on the daily time frame. The price for Bitcoin, okay, for this bull flag is $120,000, right? 120K, and yeah, it's gonna go much, much higher than 120. Okay, so get ready for that. Now, Bitcoin just had the biggest monthly candle in history. Okay, and you also clearly see this candle, okay, on the monthly time frame, the biggest monthly candle in Bitcoin history. You guys can clearly see, like, it's been amazing. Okay, like this month, November, has been amazing. Okay, ever since we had the US election, and we know, guys, every single time we have a US election, right, which is also every 4 years as well. So again, trust the 4-year cycle, right? But yeah, usually every single time, okay, we have a US election, right after it, we do in fact see Bitcoin moving. Same with the crypto market. Okay, so this is amazing to see. Okay, absolutely amazing to see, right? Now, this month is going to be absolutely wild for Bitcoin, okay, because we're going to see Bitcoin, okay, reaching over $200,000. It's going to happen, guys, whether you like it or not. Okay, we're going to see Bitcoin reaching 200K and beyond. It's going to happen. I promise you guys that, okay? And I showed you guys this chart before, right? Bitcoin reaching $200,000 this cycle. Bitcoin closed November above the center line of the ascending channel. It might sound ambitious, and I'm not betting on it, but 200K could be in play this cycle. So I showed you guys this chart, okay, in my most recent video. If you guys haven't seen that video, you should definitely check it out. But yes, okay, this chart is just clearly showing us that Bitcoin has huge potential to reach at least $200,000. It's going to happen, guys. Okay, all my Bitcoin holders out there, get ready for a 200K Bitcoin, because it's about to happen. Okay, it is coming, trust me, right? Sometime next year, 2025, I really do believe personally, early of 2025, we're going to see Bitcoin reaching 200K. Because understand, guys, like 200K, I don't think that's going to be the top for Bitcoin, right? Even 250, I think, I told you guys many times, like 300K, some people out there are predicting that we're going to see Bitcoin much higher than, over 300K. We're going to see it at like 400K. to even 500k, right? Half a mil, which will be insane. But as much as I am bullish on Bitcoin, I don't think Bitcoin has the potential to reach those levels. Personally, I think it's going to be around 200k to even 300k. I think that's like more realistic. But who knows, guys? Okay, understand a lot of money is flowing into Bitcoin. And this bull run is different, right? And it's going to be the biggest one, okay, of our lifetime, because we have the Bitcoin ETFs. And ever since we had the ETFs, right, a lot of institutions have been buying a whole bunch of Bitcoin. Like, for example, BlackRock, right? BlackRock, they have been buying a whole bunch of it. A lot of major companies out there are buying Bitcoin. Countries out there are buying Bitcoin. You know, new money is flowing into Bitcoin. So yeah, I would not be surprised if we see Bitcoin reaching 200k to even beyond 300k. It is very, very possible, guys. Please understand that, right? So looking at this, okay, a possible blue-green imbalance on sailortracker.com, right? And this just clearly shows you guys, okay, market strategy, okay, DCAing into Bitcoin, right? So you guys can clearly see all these green dots are the times where market strategy has bought Bitcoin. And this is the power of DCAing, guys. Okay, it really, really is. Okay, so it just shows you guys the purchases where market strategy has made, right, throughout Bitcoin. Okay, so this is the power of DCA. And you guys should be DCAing to Bitcoin as well, right? DCA is a great investing strategy. Okay, it really, really is, because you don't have to time the market or anything like that. You just invest, okay, whether Bitcoin is up or down during that time when you want to invest, right? So it's a great, investing strategy. Okay, it really, really is. But yeah, this just clearly shows you guys, okay, the purchases that MicroStrategy has made, okay, during, the bull runs and of course the bear market, right, back in 2021, all the way back in 2020 to 2021 to 2022, 2023 to 2024, where we are right now. Okay, so this is absolutely amazing to see. Okay, now not everyone out there will be able to own one full Bitcoin. Understand that, guys. I'm pretty sure you guys understand that, right? Today, nowadays, okay, you guys just clearly see, it's sort of rare to see someone owning one full Bitcoin, okay, as a whole coiner. Only 0.26% of the global population can own one Bitcoin each. Understand, guys, there is not enough Bitcoins to go around for everyone. There's ever going to be 21 million Bitcoins. That is it. Bitcoin has a max supply, right? A fixed supply of 21 million Bitcoins. And guess what? It's actually lower than that, because millions of Bitcoins in the past, in the early stages of Bitcoin, right, was lost forever. We have lost millions of Bitcoins. So realistically, we have about 16 million Bitcoins, maybe even lower than that, right? Who knows? So if you really think about it, 21 million Bitcoins is already scarce. Lower than that, that's even more scarce. So if you really think about it, right, Bitcoin is the most scarce asset out there, guys. If you're watching this stream right now, if you're watching this video, and you simply own a full Bitcoin, understand, okay, you are in like the top 1%, right? Not everyone out there has the potential to reach a Bitcoin, to accumulate one full Bitcoin, okay? And of course, the Bitcoin price over the next, few decades, it's going to keep rising and rising and rising, okay? So the Bitcoin price is going to keep rising, and that, right, will be much harder, right, for, retail investors to accumulate one full Bitcoin. It's going to be much harder, guys. And that's why I've been telling guys ever since, the beginning of this year, 2024, to even last year, 2023, to back 2022, right, when I first started this YouTube channel, I've been telling you guys many times to accumulate one full Bitcoin. You don't believe me? Go back to my old videos, right? To my oldest videos. I've been telling you guys to accumulate at least one full Bitcoin, and why you guys should accumulate one full Bitcoin, right? Because this one full Bitcoin, guys, understand it will change your life. I know a lot of you guys want to have wealth. You guys want to become a millionaire. You guys, most importantly, want to have financial freedom. Everyone out there wants to have some type of freedom. And I really do believe you can get all of that just by simply owning a full Bitcoin. Okay, so understand this is not financial advice. Always do your own research, right? Research on why, guys, you need one full Bitcoin. Understand where Bitcoin is heading in the future. Okay, do your research. Okay, and understand, guys, why you need to accumulate Bitcoin. And it's fine, right? Maybe you can't get to one full Bitcoin. Okay, start small, guys. 0.01 Bitcoin, 1% of a Bitcoin, and then 0.1 Bitcoin, 10% of a Bitcoin. And I really do believe owning just 0.1 Bitcoin, right, just 10% of a Bitcoin is a big deal. Because if you guys really think about it, we know Bitcoin, right, in the next over 20 years, okay, in the next over 20 years, we're going to see Bitcoin over $10 million, right, $13 million to even $15 million. And that 0.1 Bitcoin will be worth over $1 million. Just think about that, right? Buying 0.1 Bitcoin today is about close to $10,000, I believe, right? So $10,000 investment turns into over $1 million investment in the next over 20 years. And imagine you have more than just 0.1 Bitcoin, right? So that's why, guys, okay, I've been telling guys that you guys need to get to one full Bitcoin, because it's going to be extremely rare to see someone owning a full Bitcoin right in the next 10 years from now. Okay, it's going to be very, very rare. Okay, nowadays, this year, 2024, you know, it's sort of rare seeing someone owning a full Bitcoin. It's sort of rare, right? It's not that rare, but it's sort of rare. But trust me, in the next 10 years, 20 years, it's going to be like extremely rare. Okay, so understand, guys, get to one full Bitcoin. Okay, and Bitcoin right now, it's cheap. Yes, guys, Bitcoin, you know, just below 100K. Even if Bitcoin is at 100K, 150, 200K, I still think it's cheap, because as I told you guys many times, you have to think of Bitcoin as a digital asset that's going to be worth millions of dollars in the future, right? Tens and millions of dollars, because one day one Bitcoin will be that worth of much money, right? It will be worth tens and millions of dollars for one single Bitcoin. You always got to think long term with Bitcoin, guys, right? And Bitcoin has only been around for over 15 years. It is still so early. A lot of people think, you know, it's too late to buy into Bitcoin. They see the price and they think it's too late. But no, guys, it is not late for Bitcoin. You can never buy the top for Bitcoin. Understand that, right? There is no top for Bitcoin. Okay, so just DCA into Bitcoin. Treat Bitcoin like it's your own savings account. Instead of saving your money, okay, in the bank, right, save it into Bitcoin, right? And we know, guys, in general, right, if you want to build wealth, you need to invest your money. Do not keep fiat money, okay? Do not save your money in the bank because of inflation, right? You know, your purchasing power is always going lower and lower and lower, losing its value because of inflation. So if you guys simply want to build wealth, you got to invest into assets. And there's a lot of assets out there that you can invest into. Index funds, right? S&P 500, the stock market, gold, silver, right? Real estate. Okay, a lot of, you know, wealthy people out there, they park their money into real estate. I get it, right? But personally, I truly do believe the best asset to invest in is Bitcoin, right? It really, really is. So that is that, guys. Get to one full Bitcoin, okay, before it is too late. I mean, it's never too late, but you guys know what I mean, because the Bitcoin price will keep rising and it's going to be much harder to accumulate Satoshis, right? These small amounts of Bitcoins. Okay, so that is that. Now let's talk about XRP, because XRP today, just like what I showed you guys, is absolutely skyrocketing. Okay, so XRP flips Solana, topping $2 for the first time since 2018. Okay, so yes, right? We did in fact see about almost 10 hours ago, earlier this morning, okay, XRP did actually flip Solana, okay, by market cap, right? And not just that, right? XRP flips Tether, becoming the world's third largest crypto as price sour. So yes, you guys can see XRP is now at its OG spot in the top 3. Okay, so it's looking pretty good right now for XRP, guys. Okay, it really, really is. Right, XRP is now in the top 3. It's been a very, very long time since we have seen XRP in the top 3, right, out of the entire crypto market. So you know, this is absolutely amazing to see for XRP. Okay, so you guys can see right there. Okay, XRP has reclaimed the third spot, flipping USDT, completing the OG top 3 spot. Right, so this is very, very bullish right now for XRP. Okay, it's looking pretty good right now for XRP, guys. Okay, it really, really is. And I know a lot of people that have been hodling XRP. Okay, you guys are obviously up in profit. I'm pretty sure everyone that is holding XRP right now is up in profit. Now, the thing I really want to know is XRP Let's go to the weekly time frame. I just want to see if XRP has reached back up to its previous highs. Oh, wow. It is about to reach back up to its previous highs, guys. It is crazy to me, okay, looking at this right now, right, on the weekly time frame, how much XRP has pumped. Like, just look at that, guys. Look at those green candles for XRP for the past week, right? We are, in fact, in the weekly time frame for XRP, and just look at how much XRP has been pumping. It's insane, right, to think about. And yeah, looking at it, right, zooming out, XRP is about to reach back up to its previous highs. That is insane. Let's have a look here on CoinMarketCap. Yeah, it's very, very close. $3.3 was XRP's previous high, and we're about to reach back up to that, guys. Okay, and thinking about it, like, XRP has moved this much, guys, right? Like, for the past month, it's up, what, almost 500%? 400%, almost 400%, right? So think about it now. XRP can potentially reach $5 to $10, like this bull run. I think that is very, very possible. Like, thinking about it now, that is very, very possible for XRP. It can reach those levels. I really do believe that is very, very possible, right? And look at this. Okay, XRP hits $100 billion market cap for the first time since 2018. $100 billion market cap, guys. Okay, it's been a while since we have seen XRP at $100 billion market cap, okay, since like 2018. So this is bullish, right, for XRP. Okay, very, very bullish. And XRP is truly moving. Now, here in Australia, guys, okay, XRP is now worth $3. $3, guys, okay, for XRP here in Australia. Okay, it's been a very, very long time since we have seen that. Okay, it's been a few years, ever since 2018, right? And look at this. Okay, XRP is more popular than crypto according to Google Trends, right? So you guys can clearly see, okay, the search for crypto is still sort of stagnant, spiking a little bit, but look at XRP spiking. Okay, there's a lot of FOMO. I feel like there's a lot of FOMO happening right now for XRP, and it's even trading, right? It's actually trending right now. I believe, yes, XRP is trending, guys, today. Okay, business and finance, yes, please see XRP is trending. Almost 500,000 posts about XRP. Dogecoin is trending as well. 45,000 posts, right? So retail interest seems like it is coming back up, right, for XRP. Okay, there is in fact a lot of FOMO happening right now for XRP, guys. Okay, and obviously this is very, very bullish for XRP, right? And look at this. Okay, this is actually very, very interesting. Very, very interesting because there is huge potential. Okay, and as much as I don't want to say this, right, but there is huge potential that XRP could flip Ethereum by market cap, right? So XRP, okay, at $7.75 would flip Ethereum by market cap, right? And look at this. Look at what someone said here. $589 XRP would flip Bitcoin. Honestly, guys, okay, I don't think XRP will ever flip Bitcoin, right? I don't think that is possible at all. Do I think XRP can reach $589? Honestly, I don't. And I know a lot of people out there, you know, are saying, and this has been going on for years now, right? And I'm pretty sure you guys can like relate to what I'm about to say, but a lot of people out there are saying that, you know, XRP is going to be reaching $589. I don't know where that came from, right? But it's just, I've been seeing that, you know, ever since I've been in crypto, I've been seeing a lot of that about XRP for the longest time, right? Honestly, I don't think that can happen. I mean, it could, right? But I highly doubt it. I highly doubt that, right? But yeah, you know, if we actually see XRP almost reaching $8, it's going to flip Ethereum by market cap, which is insane to think about because, as I just told you guys earlier, I really do believe XRP has huge potential to, you know, reach, you know, $5 to even $10. So in a way, right, if you really think about it, XRP can flip Ethereum by market cap, which is insane, right? So yeah, XRP today is up 30%, guys. Okay, so it's looking pretty good today for XRP. Okay, XRP has been absolutely exploding for the past few days, even for the past few weeks. You know, it's looking pretty good right now for XRP, right? It really, really is. And I know a lot of you guys are in fact XRP holders. You guys are in fact in the XRP army. Okay, so I just want to say once again, congratulations to all of you guys that actually held XRP through these times. Okay, ever since especially back in 2018, like it's been a long ride, right? A very, very long ride for XRP. Okay, it really has been, right? And a lot of people were downing XRP, guys. Okay, a lot of people were in fact downing XRP, right? Saying XRP will never, reach back up to $1, right? But look at it now, almost $2.50, and soon enough, it's going to reach $3, right? And back up to its previous size of $3.3. You know, I would not be surprised if we see XRP reaching back up to its previous highs by in less than a week time. I would not be surprised. You know, if XRP can continue to pump like what it's been doing with, if it can keep up with this pace of what it's been doing for the past few weeks, I would not be surprised. Okay, if we see XRP, reaching back up to its previous highs. Yeah, just look at how much XRP has been moving, guys. Like XRP was around, just below 50 cents, even at 50 cents, 60 cents at sometimes, right? And look at how much it has just moved up to the upside. Like XRP is absolutely skyrocketing, guys. Okay, it really, really is. So it's looking pretty good right now for XRP. Okay, it really, really is. But like I said, okay, altcoins, right, for the past, few weeks have been moving. Okay, even today, okay, we're seeing Cardano move, Avalanche move, we're seeing HBAR move, Litecoin finally making a move. Right, Litecoin has been stagnant, and yeah, Litecoin today is finally making some sort of move, so that's great to see for Litecoin. But yeah, in general, VeChain right up 15%, okay, Algorand up 14%. So a fair few alts today are in fact moving. Okay, you guys can just clearly see that past 24 hours. Helium, right, 26% today, not too bad, right? So a fair few alts, guys, are in fact moving, and we know for the past few weeks altcoins have been moving like crazy. Okay, but this is amazing to see for XRP, right? Up 30% today. Okay, almost at $2.5, which is insane. Okay, XRP has been absolutely exploding, guys. Like, look at the weekly time frame. Look at the volume for XRP. It is insane, right? So this is to be expected, right? I told you guys many times, you guys can look back to my videos. I told you guys that once Ripple wins this lawsuit against the SEC, and out of nowhere, right, Gary Gensler is filing for resignation, right? He's resigning as the SEC's chairman. That's even more bullish for XRP, and that's why, guys, pretty much the main reason we aren't seeing XRP moving this much to the upside. Okay, Ripple, they are free. XRP is free. Okay, and now they are just doing its own thing, right? They're absolutely skyrocketing, guys. And yeah, I don't know if you guys remember, but I'll just pull it up. Because I did, I don't know how long, about almost 2 weeks ago, I believe, I actually sold my XRP. Okay, I sold my XRP to buy more Bitcoin. Where is that video? I'm just trying to look for it. Oh wow, it was over 2 weeks ago. So yeah, I can clearly see this video right here. I sold my XRP, okay, to buy more Bitcoin. Well, this is a bad idea, and this was 16th of November, guys. 16th of November, so over 2 weeks ago. Okay, and that's when XRP was at $1, right? That's when it was pumping. Okay, it was up like over 20% in a day. So when I saw that, I just, saw it as an opportunity, okay, to take majority of my XRP. Okay, I still have some XRP right now, okay, and I just, swapped it to Bitcoin, right? And as I told you guys many times, I don't want to be married to these altcoins. I learned my lesson from last bull cycle, right? From my last bull cycle, I was holding a lot of altcoins, that just dropped. The biggest one was Solana, right? We know how much Solana has dropped, right? In the last bear market, but obviously it has gained back, its momentum. And obviously a few days ago, we did see Solana reaching a new all-time high. So thank God, I had diamond hands for Solana. I didn't, panic sell on my Solana, even though it was very, very harsh. But of course, like I just thought to myself, what's the point of selling my Solana at a huge loss? You know what I mean? So I just held it, and I'm glad I did, guys. Okay, I'm glad I did, because Solana is now back to its previous highs, even at a new all-time high just recently, right? A couple of days ago, we did actually see Solana reaching a new high. So I'm just very, very glad that I held my Solana. Okay, but understand, guys, you don't want to be married to these altcoins. Okay, you simply want to take profits. No one has gone broke taking profits, right? This is how you actually make money, right, in crypto. Okay, so that's why a lot of people are in fact finding the next, meme coin, right? And with meme coins, it's more risky, right? It really, really is. So you have to understand, the risks, involved with meme coins, right? But with these altcoin, guys, like things like, you guys know, I'm investing into, Ethereum. I'm investing into things like Solana, right? I'm buying Dogecoin, Cardano, right? Some Avalanche, Shiba Inu, okay? Chainlink, you guys know I love Chainlink. I'm starting to buy some Sui, okay? Pepe is also another big meme coin that I'm really keeping my eye on, because I really do believe Pepe is going to be like the next Dogecoin, right? For this bull cycle. So I'm buying up a lot of Pepe, right? And with these coins, right? With these altcoins that I'm buying in, okay? I'm simply just training them, right? I'm not going to be married to these, altcoins, right? I've learned my lesson from last bull cycle, okay? So always take your profits, guys, okay? And then, of course, I'm going to be reinvesting it into Bitcoin. I'm just going to be putting it back into Bitcoin, right? Because Bitcoin, like I told you guys, I am holding like majority of my Bitcoin for like as long as I possibly can, like for a lifetime, right? I'm not going to be like selling like my Bitcoin, right, for fiat. If you guys understand where I'm coming from. And I'm from Australia, guys, right? And you got to pay a lot of tax in Australia, right? The tax here is ridiculous. Look up Gari Network. I've never heard of that. Let's have a look. Up 12% today. Not too bad. Oh. Wow. For the past month, it has moved over 150%. What is this? I'm not quite sure what this is, but it is down a fair bit from 2022. It has pumped, which is weird, because that was when 2022, I remember, guys, that was when everything was like down. For some reason, this coin was up. June of 2022 as well. And I remember, guys, June was like a terrible month for crypto at that time, right? Especially Ethereum. At the time, June of 2022, man, Ethereum was like below $1,000. I think it was like $1,100 to like 900 to 800, I believe, at the time, which was insane. Oh, okay, I get it. So FTX rug them, so that's the issue. I see, I see. I mean, if this has to involve with anything with FTX, I don't think you should get into it. But that's fine. But guys, listen, okay? If you simply want to make money this bull run, right? Get into altcoins, right? And with those profits, put it into Bitcoin, right? You guys can do whatever you want, but that's just personally my opinion. With the altcoins that I've been buying, okay, they're gonna be my moon bags, right? And I'm gonna obviously take majority of my profits from altcoins. Okay, I'm not gonna be taking a lot of profit with Bitcoin, because like I said, guys, I'm holding. Okay, I'm a true Bitcoiner, right? I am holding my Bitcoins for as long as I possibly can, right? For the next 20, 30 years, right? I am treating Bitcoin as store value. Okay, I'm parking majority of my money in Bitcoin. Right, this is where my net worth is, guys. Pretty much just Bitcoin and crypto, mainly Bitcoin. Right, My biggest holdings are Bitcoin and Ethereum. I really am a basic person, right? But understand, guys, the most like how people make wealth in crypto is by just buying and holding, okay? And they stick with the basics, which is mainly Bitcoin and Ethereum, mainly Bitcoin, right? So understand, guys, if you simply want to build generational wealth, you gotta get some Bitcoin, right? Not financial advice, but you guys need to get some Bitcoin, okay? And just hold it for like a long period of time. I'm buying and holding XRP. It could be a good idea, but personally, guys, okay, I am not holding XRP. Okay, I held, like I told you guys, okay, I held my XRP, my bags of XRP from last cycle, and since it's moving up right now, I sold majority of it to buy more Bitcoin, right? To buy more Bitcoin. You guys can clearly see that with this video. If you guys haven't seen this video where I sold my XRP to buy more Bitcoin, was this a bad idea? Question mark. You should definitely check it out, right? And do I have regret doing this? I don't. Honestly, I don't, right? But yeah, like I said, with all the profits that I'm making from my altcoins, okay, I'm just going to be reinvesting it into Bitcoin and just parking my money there, right? Because I know where Bitcoin is heading long term. So everyone has different, strategies, right, to do this. But I feel like, this is what mainly people do, right? People that are in fact, crypto investors, people that are in fact in the crypto space, right? That make money from altcoins, okay, and they just put it back into maybe a stable coin, right, and just leave it there, or Bitcoin, right? And personally, I'm doing that with Bitcoin. I am still trying to accumulate as much Bitcoin as I possibly can, guys. Okay, I am not stopping to accumulate Bitcoin, right? I'm accumulating Bitcoin as much as I possibly can because I know where Bitcoin is heading long term. We know where Bitcoin is heading long term. So I am not selling my Bitcoins, guys, right? Because I know where it's heading long term. I'm buying XRP too. I think everyone is buying XRP. I mean, there is, a lot of FOMO. I mean, there has to be FOMO, right? Like XRP, everyone's talking about it. It's trending on X. Everyone is talking about it, right? And who knows, right? Like I said, right? XRP can reach a new high of $5 to $10 this bull run. Maybe even higher than $10. It's possible, right? We have not seen XRP make a move like this ever since 2018. Right, so XRP can, okay, understand, guys, it can reach $5 to $10 and higher this bull run. I think that's very, very possible. I feel that 100% everyone has to trust their investment places. Yes, that's very, very true. You need to have a plan. But yeah, guys, I am really looking into altcoins now, right? I'm, investing into altcoins, right? Diversifying into different altcoins, different projects. Because I told you guys many times, meme coins, they will perform very, very well. And as I told you guys, I really do believe Pepe is going to be like the next Dogecoin. What Dogecoin did back last cycle, back in 2021, I believe Pepe is going to do that for this cycle, right? So keep your eye on Pepe because I'm going all in on Pepe, right? Meme coins wise. Now for AI, right? As I told you guys many times, you should really look at AI projects because I do believe a lot of these AI coins, right, will perform very, very well this bull run. Okay, personally, I'm looking at Render, right? And that's really the only AI project that I'm really looking into, just Render. Okay, and of course, gaming. We know how big the gaming industry is. So, guys, keep your eyes on a lot of these gaming projects. And understand, guys, a lot of these gaming tokens, they have dropped a lot. But I really do believe, okay, that a lot of these gaming tokens will perform very, very well this bull cycle. And we know in general, right, how big the gaming industry is. Okay, it is huge. I have BTC somewhere. Congrats, Eric. That's good, right? You need to have Bitcoin, guys. Like you can't just go all in on altcoins. You need some type of you need Bitcoins in your portfolio, right? You really do, guys. Okay, you can't just go all in on altcoins. Trust me, you will not regret it. I hope you didn't lose your Bitcoins. I really hope you did not lose your Bitcoins. And guys, right, as I as I told you guys many times, okay, if you're investing into something like Bitcoin for long term, okay, you don't want to keep your Bitcoins or any other crypto assets, your altcoins in crypto exchanges. Like I told you guys many times, I don't care if it's Coinbase, Binance, the top, biggest, largest, trusted exchanges. Like you really don't know nowadays. Just recently we saw what happened with FTX. Okay. And obviously when FTX did collapse and it went bankrupt and just completely shut down, a lot of people lost their assets, right? The crypto assets. They can't get it back anymore. Right. So this is why guys, you need to store your crypto coins offline, right? In a hardware wallet, right? It's more safe that way, guys. Okay, so get yourself a hardware wallet, guys, if you haven't already. Don't keep your crypto assets in exchanges. Like I said, I don't care if it's Binance or Coinbase. Don't trust it, right? Know your keys, know your wallet, right? So that is that. It's massive. I need more Bitcoin. Yeah, Eric, I really do hope you did not lose your Bitcoins. Okay, because like I said, that has happened many, many times. A lot of people, right, have lost Bitcoins, right? And that's why, we have a max supply of 21 million Bitcoins, but it's actually lower than that because millions of Bitcoins in the past have been lost forever, right? Which makes it even more scarce. So understand, guys, get some Bitcoins. I don't care if it's 1% of a Bitcoin, 10% of a Bitcoin, 50% of a Bitcoin, half of a Bitcoin, just accumulate DCA into Bitcoin. Trust me, you will not regret it. Treat Bitcoin, like I said, as your own savings account. Okay, Bitcoin is a great investment for long term. It has store value. It's a hedge against inflation, right? And the main reason why I think Bitcoin is a hedge against inflation because I understand, right? Short term, Bitcoin, yes, it is volatile. I get that, right? It goes up and down a whole bunch, but long term, Bitcoin is always shooting up. Okay, it is always going up, guys, no matter what. Every single time we enter a new cycle, a new bull cycle, it always tends to reach a new all-time high every single time, right? 2013, okay, we were in a bull market. What happened? Bitcoin reached a new high, and then it dropped. And then 2017 came along, and Bitcoin reached a new high, and then it dropped, right? And then 2021, it reached a new high, and then it dropped. And now, okay, we are in fact in 2024, and soon enough to be 2025. And next year, 2025, yes, we're gonna see Bitcoin either at 200k to even 300k and higher, right? It's very, very possible. So it all works in cycles, guys. Okay, trust the 4-year cycle, right? Because history does repeat itself, right? It really, really does. I don't store it in Power wallet. I've never heard of that. That's where my Bitcoin is at. Is that a hardware wallet? Because I'm confused what that is. I'm hoping it's a hardware wallet. But guys, Bitcoin, soon enough, it's going to be reaching $100,000, right? Soon enough. Okay, it's all about patience, guys. And I really do believe, like, sometime in a week time, maybe, Bitcoin, okay, it's gonna, reach $100,000. Wow, Bitcoin is actually dropping. Let's have a look at what's happening right now with Bitcoin. 15-minute time frame. It is dropping. 1-minute time frame. Let's have a look. Wow, the volume is crazy for the past few minutes for Bitcoin. Yes, it's a hardware wallet. Okay, well, that's good. Keep your Bitcoins in there, Eric. I highly suggest to not sell your Bitcoins for sure. Trust me, it's going to be better for the long run. And you can do a lot of things with Bitcoin, guys. Like, for example, if you move to a low tax country for Bitcoin, you can use your Bitcoins to buy things with it, right? Instead of like selling it for fiat, right? Then you got to pay tax for it for your capital gains. For example, the UAE, right, in Dubai, you can literally use just your Bitcoins to buy cars, right? You can buy property with it in Dubai, and it's all tax free, which is insane. That's why, guys, I am planning in the future to move to Dubai. Like, it just makes sense. I feel like everyone that is in Bitcoin, that are in fact Bitcoiners, that is in general, in the crypto space, they are all moving to the UAE, right, in Dubai. Okay, and it makes sense, right? Why a lot of them are moving to Dubai, because it makes sense because it's tax free there. Okay, you can actually use your crypto assets to buy things in Dubai, right? They actually accept Bitcoin and crypto, right? It could be other coins like, I don't know, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, right? Ethereum, who knows? Maybe other coins as well, but the main one is Bitcoin, of course. So understand, guys, okay? It makes sense to move to a low tax country. And there's other countries out there that you can move to that are like low tax, that are like, capital gains tax free, like El Salvador, of course. What's another one? I think Malaysia is also another one. And I'm pretty sure there's many more, like Switzerland, I believe. But I highly suggest you guys to go to the UAE. I think it's way better there, and that's why, guys, like in the future, I don't know when, but I really want to move to Dubai. Okay, and that's when, guys, like with my bitcoins that I'm currently holding right now, that is when, okay, when I'm planning on moving to Dubai, when I actually move to Dubai, the UAE, that's when I actually use my bitcoins to buy properties, right? To buy, I don't know, watches, right? To buy my dream car, like things like that. You know what I mean? So I think it just makes sense to move to Dubai. Okay, especially you're like in crypto, it just makes total sense because it's tax free there, guys. Right? So that is that, and that's why like I'm currently in Australia right now, and I don't want to take a lot of money off the table with my crypto. Okay, because I know like the tax here is insane. Okay, so that's why, guys. But hey, it's fine. Um, I can't move to Dubai because I love my lick. I like my liquor. Well, finance wise, it does make sense. Yes, it totally does, right? And that's why you see a lot of people that are in fact in crypto, okay, moving to the UAE. It just makes sense, right? Because it's just totally tax free there. Like that is insane. Like all the gains that you make from crypto is just tax free. You don't have to pay any tax. It's just freedom there, right? It really, really is, guys. Okay, and I don't think you have to be like wealthy to move to Dubai. Like there's other certain areas that you can stay at that are like normal prices. Okay, that's just what I've heard. So you don't have to be like truly wealthy to move to Dubai, guys. Right? But that's that. And plus, it's safe there. Dubai is a really safe place to move to. Right? You won't get robbed. If you have watches on you, chains on you, you're wearing expensive clothes, right? You don't have to worry. You know what I mean? You don't have to worry about anything, especially if you're walking around at like nighttime. It's totally safe. No one's gonna like do anything to you, right? So that's also one of the main reasons I really want to move to Dubai as well. Like it's heaven, right? Dubai is truly heaven. It really is, in my opinion. And that's why, guys, like in the future, I really am planning on moving to Dubai. Like that would be a dream come true. And that's why, guys, I am trying to lock in, accumulate as much Bitcoin as I possibly can to use my Bitcoins, right, to use them while I'm in Dubai, right? I can use my Bitcoins to buy things in Dubai, right, in the future. That's just my plan, right? I heard if you take a trip in Dubai, you go to jail. I don't think that's true. Like, how can you go to jail? Like, that's if you like do something like, I don't know, ridiculous or silly or something like against the law. There, of course, then you'll go to jail, right? No trip on your feet. What? That's crazy. But guys, I need to like experience Dubai, right? I was actually planning on taking a trip to Dubai sometime next year for like a whole month. Just want to see how it is there. Because I know it looks amazing in my opinion. Dubai looks like it's just heaven on earth, right? It really does. It's amazing. It fits me. Okay, because I'm into crypto. I'm all in crypto. You guys know that, right? I'm all in on Bitcoin and everything. So it's tax free there, so it makes sense. And plus, it's safe there, right? Like Dubai is the most safest place to go, right? And it's easy. I've heard it's easy to network with people there, right? So it's amazing. Okay, it's an amazing place to go to, right? Like, have you guys been to Dubai? Let me know, because I've never been there, but I really, like I said, I'm planning on taking a trip to Dubai like sometime next year. Dubai sounds like a dream though. Yes, it does. Luxury everywhere. Yeah, and some places in Dubai, um, it's not all luxury there, guys. I don't think. Like there's certain places that are like just normal. But you do see like a lot of expensive things there, like exotic cars, you know. It's just normal there. Eric, I've never been there. Yeah, I haven't too, but I am planning to. I really want to experience Dubai for sure. And if I like it, man, in the future, I might have to pull the trigger and just move there. You'd be already be used to the hot weather. Yeah, where I'm from, guys, it's very very hot where I'm from. It's like humid here as well. It's like 30 degrees here, guys. Like most days, it's like 30 degrees, and it's humid as hell. Right? It's pretty hot here in Australia, guys, especially in like different cities. Um, but where I'm from, guys, it is very very hot and it's humid. Right? Like the wind will be like hot. If you guys understand what I'm coming from, like it's pretty bad here. So when I go to Dubai, guys, I know like I'll be used to the weather for sure. All right, guys, Bitcoin is dropping right now, $96.4 thousand on the 1 minute time frame, and it's dropping. No idea what is happening right now with Bitcoin. What is XRP doing? Slightly, slightly dropping as well, but overall, it's still holding up a very, very well right now for XRP. Man, XRP can literally reach like $5 to $10 this bull run. Maybe even higher than that, to be honest. Looking at this now. Like in a month time, almost a month time, XRP went from 53 cents all the way to $2.4. Just think about that. That is insane to think about. I think XRP can reach $5 to $10 this bull run, like easily. I think that's very, very possible. All right, guys. So what's happening with the market? 2.2%. Okay, Bitcoin is dropping. Maybe this is a good time to buy, guys. Great opportunity right now to buy some Bitcoin. Every dip you see, guys, is an opportunity to buy more. $30 for XRP? That is insane. $30, I'd be in middle class in Dubai. I feel like a lot of millionaires will be made for XRP. Maybe lower middle class? Yeah, maybe. A lot of people, okay, with the XRP pump, guys, a lot of people are in fact making a lot of money with XRP. I don't know if you guys know who 100x is, but this guy, he has made a lot of money from crypto. And he recently just posted on his Instagram. Um, I don't know if you guys know who 100x is, but $3.4 million to just under $14 million, $10.5 million profit, which is insane. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's how much he made from XRP. Can you guys even see it? Probably not. My camera kind of sucks. There you go. He put in 3.4 mil and made 10.5 mil profit, guys. That is insane from this XRP pump recently. That is crazy, guys. XLM, yeah, that coin has been pumping as well. It's been like over 3 years since we have seen Stellar pumping this much, right? Like for the past month, it's up almost 500%, which is insane, right? It's crazy to think about. 500% almost, guys, for the past month for it. Today it's looking pretty good, 8%. But yeah, XLM has been skyrocketing, guys, and yeah, soon man, it's gonna reach a new high for sure. It's gonna go back up to like 70 cents, which was its previous high back 2018, beginning of 2018, and then it just dropped like crazy. So yeah, we haven't seen a move like this for XOM. And look at this, guys. Like for the times when Stellar did pump, right? Like we'll see it having like corrections along the way, right? Like for example, over here in 2020, and then of course in 2021 it started to pump, right? It will have these corrections, right? But for this time around, it just shot up like crazy. We didn't see much corrections happening for Stellar. So yeah, Stellar has been moving like crazy. Alt season, guys. Get ready for alt season, right? As I told you guys many times, get your moon bags ready because altcoins, man, they're gonna skyrocket. Trust me. So what you're saying is I can be a millionaire if I invest right. I am ready for this bull run. Yes, I hope you are ready because you can make life-changing money this bull run. Right, in the next 6 to 8 months, man, it's going to be crazy for a lot of people. New millionaires in this crypto space will be millionaires, guys. I understand that. I feel like, honestly, guys, like if you really think about it, for the past like 10 years, a lot of millionaires are made off of crypto for the past 10 years, mainly crypto. I understand that, especially like nowadays, right? Like kids out there are making life-changing money from trading meme coins, right? Just think about that. It's insane, guys. Like crypto is truly changing people's lives. Glad I found this channel. Thank you, Eric. I appreciate you. Shout out to Kat. Can't wait. Appreciate you. Cover other cryptos, Mitchell. Thank you, Eric. I appreciate that, brother. Yeah. Stella said no corrections. It just went straight up. It was insane. Wait, let me see if I can... Do I have Stella on? No, I don't. Okay, let's have a look. That's crazy. I don't have this. Let's have a look. Alright, so... Daily time frame. I mean, we did see some corrections on the daily time frame, right? But weekly... Man, look at that. Look at the volume, guys, for that. For XLM. It's insane. It just went straight up. Old season's about to begin for sure. I am so ready to do better. Time for a better life. 100%. 100%. I'm in HBAR for some time now. That's good for you, Eric, because HBAR is moving today like crazy. And has been, right? But yeah, a lot of alts guys have been moving, okay? We're seeing, you know, XLM pumping, XRP pumping, a lot of memes have been pumping. Dogecoin, obviously, you know, a few weeks ago was pumping. Pepe has been pumping as well. Avalanche has been pumping. Chainlink has been pumping. Litecoin today finally making a move, pumping, right? And just recently, right? Altcoins that we haven't really seen moving, like Polkadot and Polygon, they've been moving, right? They're finally moving, guys. So, you know, the Bitcoin dominance is going lower. So that's a huge signal that, you know, alt season is about to begin, guys. Okay, alt season is here. Even Cardano, we saw Cardano moving as well. Look at this, right? It's been a while since we have seen Cardano at $1. The last time we seen Cardano at $1 was, when was this? April of 2022, right? So like what, over 2 years? And yeah, we finally see Cardano back at $1, right? So a lot of alts have been moving, guys, right? A lot of altcoins out there have been moving like crazy, which is Great to see, right? Great to see. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys are ready. Okay, I truly do hope you guys are ready, right, for this bull run. Okay, for the next 6 months, 8 months, even 10 months. Man, it's gonna be insane for Bitcoin and altcoins. Trust me. Okay, a lot of new millionaires will be made this bull run. Okay, and I truly do hope you guys will be one of them. Okay, you can make life-changing money. Okay, in the next few months, right? 6 to 8 months. Okay, even 10 months. Okay, so get ready, guys, for this bull run. Okay, but guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this stream. Okay, I appreciate all you guys for joining in. Eric, Kat, thank you so much for joining today's stream. I will keep you guys updated on what's gonna happen with Bitcoin and crypto. If you guys haven't seen my most previous video that I uploaded today, please check it out. That is always appreciated. If you guys have not yet, please consider subscribing. Right, every single day I'll upload a video giving you guys update what's happening with Bitcoin, what's happening with the crypto market, what's happening around the crypto space. So if you guys aren't fact Bitcoiners, if you guys aren't fact crypto investors or even traders, if you guys are just genuinely in the crypto space, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Okay, that is always appreciated. And on that, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this one. Appreciate all you guys. Thank you guys so much for the support. You guys know who you are, and I know who you guys are. So thank you so much, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.